Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your fingerprint scanner not working. So if your fingerprint sensor is not working, then the most common and basic thing you can try is to simply reboot your device. And even if that does not work, then what you can do is to simply hit the settings, and then from here simply go to the security and privacy option, and then from here what we're going to do is simply go to the device unlock, and then from here we will be choosing the fingerprint and face unlock, and then inside the fingerprint we're gonna enter our pattern that we have set, and then from the fingers which are currently there you can try to delete these finger and try to add them back again, and that might solve your problem. Or if that it does not solve your problem, you can try to add a new fingerprint. So that might be the issue, and it might solve that as well. And if even if that does not work for you, then what you can try to do is try to look for any software updates. To look for any software updates, simply go to the settings again and scroll down, and from here you need to click onto the system and updates, and from here click on software update and check for any new updates if they are present. If they are present, then all you need to do is simply install them, because there might be some glitches and bugs present which might have been removed in those software updates. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.